That's why he believed on the saying, when you are in the service of your you are only in the service of your God. That's why he was motivated to theology, to understand his relationship to God and to the people, so that he can serve well. This comes to win his future dream to serve the 3rd District of Pangasinan as Congressman.
Message.
Furthermore,
Message ko?
still
Congratulations sa lahat. Tapos sana...
people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care.
Ate message mo. Ang gwapo mo pa, Mike. Thank you. Sige, ate message mo.
Loved by the people.
Message.
Because
I love you, love.
Masasira. Message. Abalabat.
Sa lahat.
Lahat. Sige, sir.
Tanginan nyo. Kita-kita tayo. Pag nagkatrabaho na kayo.
Ikaw, Kuya Owen. I love you, Papa Mike.
and I thought,
I love you, Kuya Mike. You're staying younger as you are.
thank you for your kind invitation to share in today's graduation ball.
Papasabugin
I
ko ang
believe
linya yan.
you will take part in your celebration tonight.